To send money from India to Japan, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both India and Japan. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange offices. Some popular options include ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, and online services like TransferWise and Paytm. Once you have chosen a service, you will need to create an account and verify your identity. This typically involves providing proof of address and identity, such as a passport or Aadhaar card. You will also need to provide the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. Next, you will need to fund your transfer. You can do this by depositing money into your account or by using a debit or credit card. The funding options available will depend on the service you are using. Some services may also offer additional funding options, such as net banking or UPI. After funding your transfer, you can initiate the transfer process. This typically involves entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send, and then confirming the transfer. The service will then convert your money into Japanese yen and transfer it to the recipient's bank account. The transfer time will depend on the service you are using and the funding method you have chosen. Some services offer instant transfers, while others may take several days. You can track the status of your transfer online or through the service's mobile app. It is also important to consider the fees and exchange rates associated with your transfer. Different services will charge different fees and offer different exchange rates, so it is a good idea to compare these before making a transfer. You should also be aware of any transfer limits that may apply, as well as any additional requirements, such as providing a purpose code for the transfer. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to use a reputable and licensed money transfer service, and to carefully review the terms and conditions before making a transfer. You should also keep a record of your transfer, including the transfer reference number and the amount sent. This will help you to track the status of your transfer and to resolve any issues that may arise. Overall, sending money from India to Japan is a relatively straightforward process, as long as you follow the necessary steps and choose a reputable service. By doing your research and comparing different options, you can find a service that meets your needs and provides a good exchange rate and low fees.